Deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Janrik, for trusting PETIT solution. Deep cleaning a desktop PC is essential to maintain good performance, prevent overheating, and extend the lifespan of your components. Over time, dust builds up inside the case, especially in fans, heat sinks, the power supply, and vents. This dust blocks airflow, causing the PC to run hotter and slower, and in some cases, even shut down unexpectedly. To begin deep cleaning, turn off the PC and unplug all cables. Open the side panel and use compressed air to blow out dust from fans, the motherboard, power supply, graphics card, and storage base. Hold each fan in place while cleaning to avoid damaging the motor. A soft brush can help loosen stubborn dust on components. Clean air filters and wipe down the case with a dry cloth. It is also important to reapply thermal paste if the CPU has not been serviced for a long time, as old paste can dry out and reduce cooling efficiency. After cleaning, reassemble the PC, reconnect cables, and check if airflow improves and temperatures drop. Performing a deep clean every 6 to 12 months keeps your desktop running smoothly, reduces noise from dusty fans, and ensures stable performance during everyday tasks and gaming. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.